Took a little time off not too long ago and went to visit some buddies down in LA, and they took me to this restaurant where they use awesome quality pieces of meat and they give you an awesome experience. So here's what we did. We went with the Tomahawk. The price tag is outstanding, but wow, was it good. So I tried to replicate it here, and here we go. First, we start off with this beautiful Tomahawk, and we put some roasted garlic inside to make this fajita seasoning stick. Now that you got this beautiful heart here, we're gonna open it up and fill it up. Now what they did is give us an option of whether we wanted veggies or other items on the inside. We went for the veggies. Here we go. And we keep on going. So guys, we were wondering, what makes a steak cost $1,000? Here you go. Guys, it's filled with goodies. On the exterior, it's gonna be wrapped with a delicious Oaxaca cheese, and it's not just one, but two big balls. It's gonna go ahead and be put all the way around right after we sear it. First, we're gonna secure it with the skewers. With these skewers right here, there we go. Just take it onto the hot grill and let that sizzle begin. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Here, let's flip that over. Let's check out the sear. Perfect, that's what we want. Grab it. Move right over this way. All right, and guys, just to let you know, it was 6 of us, and we still had a little bit left over at the end, so it wasn't a waste, and it was great. It was delicious. We're gonna make it even better here. Let's try and wrap this around without ripping it. Let's see if we can keep it together all the way. We're gonna go ahead and turn, and they did do this in front of us right at the table. They didn't have the same equipment, but we're doing with what we have. So here we go, guys. Check it out. I'm giving the show that we paid for, and you're watching it for free. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and grab this, come right into, of course, we're gonna bread it. So we go into the flour first. That way our eggs can stick, and right after that, you know the rest, little panko. So grab that, shake off the excess, and bring that here. All right, let's go ahead and get our egg wash all over it, nice and covered. And just to let you know, we're gonna do a double breading so it can be nice and crispy. I think that's what they did at the restaurant. Here we go, let's dip it. Let's go ahead and cover it. Nice and golden. There we go. And into the panko. Guys, as soon as this is done, we're going straight where? Of course, to the hot oil. Yep, steak, tomahawk, fried, delicious. Here we go. Give it a shot. Get this nice and covered. And hopefully it doesn't come apart. So 1, 2, 3, let's go up. It is heavy. That's a big boy right there. It's like it's about 10 pounds, guys. Here we go. Oh, baby. There we go. And the weight, be careful. All right, get this nice and colored. Get that cheese melty. Sear it crispy and golden, just like this. Now let's let it dry on a rack quickly. Oh, baby. There we go. I need a little help. Alright, let that drip dry just a bit. In the meantime, let's get our tortillas and the rest of our things ready. You heard right. We're going to have the best tomahawk tacos you've ever had. Here we go. At least I am. Right now. Let's go and cut into it. Right here. Again, guys, this is a meal to share. You're gonna love it. And if you want to know where I got this, just hit me up in the messages. I'll let you know. I'll send them straight your way. Let them know Oscar sent you. There we go. Just getting a little piece here. And guys, you're gonna have the best tacos ever. Oh boy. Okay, let's grab that. Bring it onto here. Got our nice red fajita seasoning. Gonna add a little green guacamole salsa, just like this. Some fresh avos, the coriander, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. That's all it needs. Nothing else. Let's take a bite. Looking at about 30 bucks right here, guys.